What's up, YouTube? Mike Bayshead here with an unboxing slash review of some Crescendo UN 6.5s and some of their Neo tweeters. Stay tuned. Alright guys, real quick, smash that subscribe button. Trying to boost my channel, so it'd be greatly appreciated if you'd hit that subscribe button. I have a lot of great how-to videos and unboxings and reviews, so if you'd like to see some of that stuff, please subscribe. Let me know down in the comments on anything you guys would like to see in the future. I'd gladly, like to hear from you guys. But anyway, let's jump into this. This is Crescendo's new UN 6.5s. Got these from Down for Sound. Thanks, JP. Get this out of the way. Really nice quality, really loud. I have opened these and tested them, make sure they worked. Really lightweight neodymium magnet, which I prefer, especially if you're installing these in like a door panel. They really don't put a lot of stress on your door hinges. Alright, that's that. I'll open up one of these tweeters for you guys. I also ordered the, these are 8 ohm, and I ordered the crossovers with them, so make sure you guys do that because you don't want to blow them and they don't come with them. $80 watts RMS, the 6.5s are 150 RMS. Here's their nice little crossovers. Be sure to order these or you will blow them. Can't send in bass frequencies to tweeters. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Like I said, please subscribe and comment. Like, share. I'd appreciate it.